Hi there. I wanted to take a moment to wish all of you a very happy new year. You made it through 2020, which was a very difficult and challenging year for all of us. But throughout that year, I was able to make some progress myself. And so I have a special announcement for all the folks who watch my videos and that give me plenty of feedback. Last year, I was able to put together a full Alteryx certification course, and I have partnered with a colleague of mine, Parker Stevens, who runs another YouTube channel called BI Elite. It also happens that his website and the training courses are hosted on bielite.com, and I have a link to where you can find those training courses in the video below. There's currently a 7-day trial going on, so I recommend going in, signing up, doing the 7-day trial. See if you like the courses. A lot of the content that I've posted there is, of course, different than what you'll see on my channel. It is geared towards passing the certification exam, and all of the content there is directly related to it. I'm very happy to say that there are a number of people who have already taken the course. They have passed the certification exam and humbly have given credit to taking the courses on bielite.com. So that's my announcement. Check it out. I am not done posting content on YouTube, so I'll still be doing that. I'm doing mostly Alteryx. Maybe we'll throw in a little Power BI, and who knows, we'll get into Tableau and something else. It could happen. But for now, we'll stick with the Alteryx content and a little Power BI there. So again, Happy New Year to all of you. Thank you for subscribing, and check out bielite.com. Thanks.